Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I just arrived from the bed. Today I put Phoebe her first vaccines. So we have to go again in 1 month for the second shot of that vaccine. And yeah, has been part of my morning. It's now 1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. This morning, by the way, before going to the bed, I have been editing and exporting the blog. So the blog that you already saw, because it's last week blog for you, for me is this week. So I'm going to share it with patrons today, you know, in early access. Also, I need to edit the Draw With Me video for Patreons, and I need to make the voiceover for this Wednesday, for you, last Wednesday video. And after lunch, I plan to take one of the lessons of my course, of my business course. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to work in a commission that I need to finish for today, tomorrow. By the way, Phoebe is fine. I have been with her until now, just seeing that she's okay, that she didn't have side effects from the vaccine. She ate normally and she has been playing, so I think I can go and continue working.
Que iba a invitarte a salir. Tengo...
Hable de vigilar, lo juraste defender.
Viendo o estimando los precios de distintos productos, servicios. Entonces,
I'm keeping the textures because I really want to get that pie for traditional watercolor, so that's why I decided to do everything with this brush. I mean, this morning I have been working in a few things and I'm very happy because I already finished. So you know guys, this feeling when you finish work and it's like a relief. So this is how I'm feeling right now. The first thing I did is a commission that I had to finish for today. So I already sent to the client and it has been approved. So and the second one was the Draw With Me video for YouTube that it's going to be upload tomorrow or premiere tomorrow. I don't know how to say that, but you know, it's going to be tomorrow available on YouTube. But I already exported the video and I'm going to upload it today to YouTube, but I'm going to, you know, make it hidden so only patrons can see the video because I want to share with them the early access. Now it's 1 p.m. more or less, so I'm going to start working on the Draw With Me for patrons because guys, this Draw With Me is massive. I have at least like 3 or 4 hours of footage, and today, or at least until lunchtime, it's going to be cutting things and choosing which parts are important or which parts I have to mention, you know, for patrons know what I'm talking about and how the process is going. So yeah, it's going to be massive. Probably I'm not going to finish today like this editing part. But yeah, I will try to work as faster as possible to at least have half of the work done today. This morning, well, before talking to you, I saw a lot of artists creating or making this kind of challenges, so I have been doing some kind of research and I saw one that I think is very interesting to do. It's called the 100 head challenge in 10 days. So I think I'm going to start, not today, probably I'm going to start tomorrow with the first 10 sketches, head sketches. The thing is that I want to make like a separate video for this challenge, you know, compile the 10 days in one video. So you are not going to see the process here on the blog, but I'm going to show you guys the result of the 100 heads. Okay, so it was created by the artist Ahmed Aldori. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. So it has a Pinterest board with the 100 heads, and guys, I have been taking a look at this, and I can say, guys, it's really a challenge. You have a lot of different faces. I think I'm going to face this challenge to the way of not doing it very realistic, but trying to stylize the shapes and practice more the stylization of them. I want to make this challenge traditional, you know what I mean? I'm going to work in my sketchbook because I really need to practice how to work, you know, how to grab a pencil basically. I know I'm making no sense because when I work with the iPad, I'm basically holding a pencil. But you know, guys, I say a lot of times we are spoiled with Procreate because we can change a lot of stuff at the moment. You know, if something you don't like, you can erase, or you can move with the mesh transformation tool and these things. But I want to, you know, work in a rigid way, and one of the things I want to learn with this challenge is to accept the mistakes, you know. So yeah, I'm very excited of this. So let's see, guys, what happens. I have been watching some videos. All people say it's very tough to do, but if you want to do that also, you can start with me. We can make it together. Even you're not going to see the process itself, you're going to see the results, and yeah, you will have the process of this 100 say it right, to these 100 sketches or faces or heads, whatever you want to call it, in a separate video with all the process. I'm not lying, guys. 5 hours of footage that I need to cut. So right now it's almost 5 p.m. and I'm going to start editing very quick. You know, I'm going to mark first what things I need to cut, what parts are important. So yeah, I need to make you know, find the interesting parts of this in these 5 hours. So wish me luck, guys.
Hasta pronto. Bueno, el rey Juan Carlos va a asistir finalmente al funeral de Isabel II el próximo lunes y, bueno, es pariente. No sé si eso generaría mayor debate, Lorena, pero lo hay.
Hay debate, tenso debate político, diría que opiniones variadas, además, en función de quién desde el gobierno.
Hi guys, today is the day. Today is Thursday. I don't know why I was thinking it was Wednesday, but it's not. Today is Thursday. So today is the day I'm going to start the 10 heads in 10 days challenge. So write down the date. It's 15 of September. So I'm going to start with it. I have here my sketchbook. It's a regular sketchbook. It's from Talents. I don't know if you can see it here, Royal Talents. It's very basic, but I think, well, it's the one that I use for just testing. You know, I put here a lot of stuff. I don't know if the size is the correct one, but the plan is that I want to do 5 faces here and five faces here. So yeah, they're going to be small, but it's fine because, you know, I don't want to spend a lot of time doing the faces, and I don't want it to be super large. So yeah, I'm going to start filming today's video because the plan is each day I'm going to share with my patrons the whole process of the sketch session, you know, the 10 faces session, and also, you know, a photo of the results and things. So if you want to follow this challenge in its full existence, you know, not only the 10 minutes video that I'm going to share in a couple of weeks, you can join Patreon. So there you will have, like, you will follow all the process. Also, I'm going to give some thoughts about what happened, I mean, my experience. So yeah, this is going to be my next 10 days. So hope I don't give up, because I have been seeing a lot of videos of other people doing this challenge, and they say it's very tough. They say, I mean, I'm seeing, guys, a lot of videos of people doing amazing faces. So I am having right now, I'm facing the imposter syndrome, because, you know, guys, my faces are quite, I mean, I'm not happy with how my faces are looking. So probably this head challenge is going to help me to find something I really like over the process. So yeah, it's 4 p.m. right now. I'm going to start. And this morning I have been working on the secret project, and finally I have sent what I had to send. So I'm free right now to continue with that. So that's why I also didn't film anything, because just watch me sitting down painting something that you can see is a little bit, you know, boring. So yeah, I'm really excited, guys, for this challenge. I will show you very quick the results later or tomorrow. So yeah, guys, let's do that. Okay, guys, so I ended up with the 10 heads for today. Some of them had been easier, others had been more difficult. And the first one, I have to say, I faced this challenge with a little bit of fear, and I can see it in that first sketch. So I'm going to show you what I came with. So this is the result for today. I'm very happy with this one here, and also with this one here. Not with this one. These ones are not that bad, and yeah, I have to say, guys, probably I'm happy with this first day result. A lot of things to improve, but yeah, it's not that bad. See you tomorrow. And have some kind of little balls inside with this kind of sound. I don't know the name of that. Tinkle? No. Well, you know what I mean. Sounds like that. So this morning, guys, I didn't film that much. I really wanted to film more, but I have been busy editing this vlog that you are seeing right now. And also I went to the groceries, and I went to buy some things that I'm going to show you right now. And now I have been doing the podcast for Patreon. So I just ended up with the podcast they are exporting, and I'm going to prepare now everything I need to share with them, because today I have a lot of things to share, like the Draw With Me video that it's already finished, yesterday's process for the first day of the head challenge, and also the podcast. So yeah, so now that I'm talking about Patreon, thank you so much, guys, for your support, because you helped me to continue drawing, and you helped me to, you know, buy stuff that I need and pay Phoebe's food and these things. So yeah, thank you so much. It means the world to me that you are there supporting me. So yeah, I can be grateful enough with you. And now I'm going to show you very quick what I bought. I decided to buy a bigger sketchbook for the head challenge, and also some stuff. So let's go and see a little shopping haul. So the first thing I bought is this bigger sketch. I'm sorry, because I just put my fingers here, but it's okay. So this is the regular size that I have for a sketchbook. Remember I showed yesterday the faces here, but I decided I wanted to make it bigger. So basically I just bought a bigger version of this. It's the same brand, it's from Thailand, it's the same size of the pages. So basically it's the same, but in a bigger, bigger size. And also I bought this calculator, guys. I don't know guys, but I really need to work with calculators instead of using the phone or the computer. I don't know, it's like a thing, it's like a paper addict thing. I don't know guys, I need to go to therapy for that. Because I know we have calculators over the place, you know, on the phone, computer and everything, but I just need a physical one. So I just bought this one. It's so tiny, it's so nice, I love the color. So yeah, it's going to be my best companion for a few years, I hope. And the last thing I bought is this. This is like a scratcher for the cat, by the way. So it have this kind of balls that make noise, and she has to move them around, and also it's a scratcher. I saw guys that the scratcher that she has, the one that I bought her, she didn't like it, so I want to know if this kind of cupboard, no, well, you know what I mean, this kind of material, she feels more comfortable, and she starts scratching her nails here, because guys, you see, well, I don't know if you can see it, you see, this is like a slightly thing, but I have all my body with this kind of scratches, you know. So yeah, it really needs to start scratching elsewhere and not me, so hopefully this works. And that's all for this vlog guys. Hope you enjoy it, hope you like what you see. I'm sorry because this vlog is like shorter. I mean, I have been filming a lot the first 2 days, then I stopped filming for 1.5 days, and today it's been a very short thing. I didn't paint that, I mean, I paint, but I couldn't show you all that I did. So yeah, this vlog is very, you know, I don't know what it is. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me and Phoebe. And right now I'm going to make lunch because Luis is going to come home soon. So yeah, and also I'm starving and I really need to eat something right now. Bye guys, and see you on the next vlog.